I want to take a moment to talk about your mindset when you're drawing those details in a character drawing that may seem boring or unimportant, but that can really help to make or break your drawing. I'll give you some examples. Here I'm drawing Leonardo from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie. Let's focus specifically on his shell for a minute. Drawing this uneven, bumpy shell, especially the rugged, roughly textured lip of that shell, requires more than just mindlessly drawing a bunch of weird lines. To really draw it right, and may I say to draw anything right, you need to actually think about what it is you're drawing. Picture it in your mind before and as you're drawing it. The bottom of the lip of the shell, the side, and the top. It's a weird thing to draw, but something that can really help the overall look of your drawing. I'll point out we can say the same thing about the ninja wraps on Leonardo's arms and knees as well. Don't just draw a bunch of random lines. Think about what it is you are drawing. The folds of those wraps as they curve around his arms and legs. Okay, now you try. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for the full lesson on Leonardo from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie, as well as hundreds of other videos.